Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the gear knob Ford Focus MK3, MK3.5, same. The knob is the same. So this one, as you can see, really used up. I will show you with a little bit better one, or you can even put an MK4 on it, so depends what you like more. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me also grow the channel. So what you want to do, you just want to turn it to the left and keep all the way, so it gets easier. So like this, as you can see, this one quite used. So same goes on, so you just turn it to the right and keep turning until it's really till the end, like this, and then just make it so it's like this. So, but if you wanna change to the MK4 one, I believe I did show this in one of the videos, but not really 100% sure. So it does fit on. So you just turn it as much as you can till the end. So something like that. So still you can use this a little bit harder, but you can do it like that. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.